Today in Guillermo's Cocina, I'm making Mexican fried rice. Sort of. We're using some ingredients that you probably already have around. We're using a couple of techniques that come from around the globe. We're putting some fun stuff in this. This is a great side dish. Maybe this hasn't been on your radar. It is now, because today we're making Mexican fried rice. All right, let's get started doing this. To make our Mexican fried rice, we're going to put about a tablespoon of butter into our 12-inch skillet here. It has to be a big skillet because you got a lot of stuff going in here. You need room to work. First thing going in is a can of drained corn. We drained it off, got the juice out of there, put that in. If you want to use frozen corn, go ahead and use about half a cup. We've got a can of Rotel tomatoes and green chilies with all the liquid. We've got half a teaspoon of cumin. We've got half a teaspoon of chili powder. We've got half a teaspoon of paprika. Okay, forget it. Okay, a full teaspoon of paprika. There you go. It's got a lot of flavor. It's going to give it nice color, and we're just going to let that hydrate here in the juices for a little bit. That'll give it a lot of flavor to our corn, our tomatoes, and everything. They're going to start soaking up that flavor before the rice starts soaking up. Speaking of rice, we got 2 cups of leftover day-old rice. You can't use fresh rice because it has too much liquid still in it, and it won't soak up all these juices and take on all these flavors. So it really does have to be left over. Now we've got a drizzle of soy sauce because soy sauce is delicious. Gives a little saltiness, a little umami in there. It's a flavor you're expecting. Speaking of flavor, we better taste test this thing and see how it is, and get a nice scoop there. And ooh, daddy, that's delicious. Sorry, umami, ooh, daddy. I gotta make the dumb jokes, folks. It's who I am. We're just gonna put this in a bowl, get ready to serve, and get back to the video, because that's it. It's just that easy. This Mexican fried rice is, as you saw, very easy to make, very delicious, and very fun. You can pair this with just about anything, and you can have a wonderful meal with this. It's just kind of a fun side, a little different, a little unusual. There's not a lot of ingredients. You just need some leftover rice, can of Rotel, and some corn, some spices, and a frying pan. Well, you have that. Come on, of course you do. And now I have this to eat. Oh, so if you really want, that is good. If you want to have fun with this, throw black beans in it. You can throw some cilantro in it. You can throw some jalapenos in it. Oh, some like, what are they? The marinated or the pickled jalapenos. Oh yeah, that'd be dice that up, put that in there. If that's your thing, go for it. This is fantastic. You can even sprinkle some cotija cheese over the top of this. What? Rice and cheese? Say it ain't so. There are no rules. As long as it tastes good, have fun with it. There you go. Hopefully you enjoyed the recipe. And if you want to subscribe to the channel, love to have you here. Hopefully you do, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching this. Bye.